Good evening, friends. I hope you are all doing well. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use Ansible to install different software packages in multiple servers at the same time. So let's get started. At first, I need to create some instances. So I am in my EC2 dashboard, and I'm going to create some new instances by clicking here. So I will create 3 instances. Let's keep the name. I'm going to choose Amazon Linux. Number is 3. So there should be 1 as a master instance and 2 other slave instances. So I keep everything as default. I'm going to keep them here. Create a new security group. Probably I don't need that. So just allow HTTPS and maybe I allow SSH as well. Okay. Then this is all fine. IAM instance profile. Choose an instance profile so that you can connect to your instance from the console. If this is okay, then create launch. So this will actually start 3 instances. I'm going to rename 1 as a master. And the 2 others is kind of like slave. So first one is web 1. The second one is web 2. So these are the 3 instances. Now I have created only 2 slaves, but it can be 100, 200. It's unlimited. You just need only 1 master instance where your Ansible will be installed and all other slaves will be connected via SSH. The good thing is of Ansible is you don't need like any agent running into the slaves. So what Ansible does, it's connect to these instances, slave instances via SSH, and runs all those necessary commands over there. So let me refresh this screen again. So I think my master is up now. Let's go to master and click connect. Click connect. So I'm going to connect to the master. In the master, I will install Ansible. In the slave, I don't need to Ansible because I told you Ansible doesn't require any kind of agent. It's agentless. That's good. So let's take root privilege. So CDSC. Then I'm going to install Ansible. At first, you need to enable Ansible. Amazon Linux extras. Enable Ansible 2. And we see Ansible 2 is enabled. That's good. I just need to copy this command. And then is run install Ansible. That's simple. You have already installed Ansible. It takes not more than 30 seconds or 40 seconds. So once the Ansible is installed, we will check the version. So Ansible, then version. It is Ansible 2.9, so all looks good. Now let's create a SSH key. Why we need SSH key? Because what we have to do is we need to connect from this master instance to the slave ones, and Ansible uses SSH. As you know, AWS by default blocks the username password with authentication. So you have to connect with SSH key pair. So you need to generate one key pair in your master node, and that you need to add to the child ones. So let's generate an SSH key. So SSH key gen -t RSL. Yes, no passphrase. Okay, it's generated. Now, if I click here, so at root.ssh and then idrsa.pub. So this is my SSH key. So I'm going to copy this SSH key. Okay, save it in a notepad. Now this has been done. I have to now add this SSH key to the slave instances. So let's go to the instance one. So we are going to modify the authorized host. I will will copy this. I think I already have copied, so just paste it. Okay. Now let's try if this is correct, what we have done. So this is my master node. I'm going to create again. Yeah, so it is connecting. So that is okay. Now we just need to do that for this second web slave. Web 2 connect. We have to do the same. I just need to copy this SSH key and edit the authorized host part. This is just a one-time thing, so don't get annoyed because once you've done it, it will stay for a longer time. So we'll do root /ssh and then authorized key. Yeah. So I have done it. Now let's copy the private instance IPs, like this is the private IP. And I need to go to my master's instance. This is my master instance. So here we need to edit the host file and add those slave instance IDs. So let's go to VI. It's etc Ansible hosts. And you might see there is already some examples there, which is commented out. So just go at the bottom, give a name like I gave web, and then just paste the IP addresses. So I push the first one. This is the first one. So this is the web 2. Then now I need to copy the private IP of web 1. Okay. Save. That's it. Now we should be able to see Ansible minus n. Sorry, Ansible all minus n ping. That will ping all the instances that it's connected with this master slave. Okay, it shows success. That means we can connect. The basic part is done. Now what we have to do is we need to create some playbooks, right? So let's go to a directory and write some playbooks. Let's say we want to install Nginx. So it's nginx.yaml. Playbooks are written in YAML language. So the file name needs to be YAML. And you can write the playbook manually. I have already created some playbooks in my GitHub. So just these are public. So you can just copy or paste it. So I'm just going to copy it. Paste the content. Just let me explain what it does. So this is the playbook name, and host is web. That is, I have given the host in the host file web. If you give a different name, use the same name here as well. Otherwise, it will not work. Then taxes. Taxes are those things will be done or installed in the slaves. The first thing is enable Nginx. So by default, you need to enable Nginx in the Amazon Linux 2, and this is the command that will be run on the shell. So Amazon Linux Extra enable Nginx 1. The next task is install Nginx. There is yum install Nginx latest version. And then the last task is start Nginx. So that's it, pretty simple. Save this. Now let's run this. The command is Ansible playbook nginx.yaml. Okay, so it is generating the logs and everything that is what it's doing, it's showing. So it is now enabling Nginx. It has done for both of the servers. Nginx installation done, starting done. So this is the recap. That means all has been done here. And let's verify whether this is true or not. Let's go to this public IP and try to paste it. Great. It shows Nginx, right? That means we have successfully installed Nginx. Let's go to the second one. And go here. Wow. So it means that all the slaves which are connected to the master runs this command, and they all install Nginx with the latest version, and they have started the Nginx over there. So this is quite powerful in a sense that if you have to manage like 50, 100 or 500 instances, and you want to do that manually, that's impossible because you have to go all those 500 instances one by one, and then you have to kind of like install these Nginx. And by like as a human, if you do something error, then that's really hard to find. But in this process, Ansible, it ensures that every servers must have these softwares or packages installed with the exact same version, exact same status, exact same process. So there's no difference. It's not possible. And also, it's if I wanted to shut it down, I can do that by writing one single playbook, and it will shut down all those Nginx, all those slave servers. I have shown only like Nginx, but here I'm going to add some more playbooks for like Ubuntu, PHP. You can also install MySQL. I'm going to add all those things here. So it's quite interesting to use Ansible for managing servers. If you have to manage many servers and you are quite annoyed or paranoid of how to do that, Ansible is the correct product for it. I hope this video helps you to get started with Ansible. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.